Alright fellas, good morning. We have stopped at the gas station, got us a drink. We are going to Jonathan's house now and we are going to install the Tomei Expreme header. So stick around, stay tuned, and let's get this thing installed. I already took some before clips of the exhaust and I'll throw those up to compare to the after. Maybe see if we can't hear more of that rumble, because this is the Tomei on an equal length header and these are the stock equal length headers on it now. So we should see a difference. So stick around. I'm excited.
And if we have to, we can put it all on jack stands.
We about to move this old girl in there and begin the header install. If I can just find my keys.
I got some stuff under the car, so I'm gonna move it before I get completely out the way.
Okay. Take your time. I love this car. Thinking about doing an oil change to some 5W30 instead of the 0W20 that these cars usually take. I feel like being here in the south, it's not too big of a deal and everything, plus a little bit heavier weight of an oil, because these boxer motors are quite loud and they make a lot of like the squeaky and knocky sounding noises. So I don't know, it's just an idea. I'm thinking about it. I'm probably, maybe not this oil change, but the next oil change, going to do the Amsoil 5W30 and get that 25,000 mile interval. So we'll see. I don't know yet. Okay, so we got the car jacked up on stands. Should have enough room to get up under it. This is going to be a little simple garage install, or hopefully simple garage install. Literally haven't looked at any of the steps on removing a header, so we're going in this blind, but I don't think it should be very hard. There's a skid plate underneath it right here that needs to come down, and then other than that, it should literally be just unbolting the header from the block and then the header from the overpipe. So I think that's it.
You're sitting here channeling demons, saying that it's simple or shouldn't be that hard, and we will be here 8 hours.
Well, we have a torch over there in case things get bad.
Have an impact.
Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna let the car cool down a little bit and probably try to remove this skid plate while we're at it. Okay, so fuck, I'm laying on the bolt.
Hey, that'll hurt.
So we started taking this piece off, and by we I mean Jonathan. This actually doesn't have to come off.
Not my car, not my problem.
This piece right here, the metal skid plate, has to come off, and it looks relatively simple. It's like 3 snap clips on both sides, and then it's just some 12mm bolts, and I think there's a couple of 10s in the back.
Plot twist, they call it snap clips because when you take it off, it snaps.
Yeah.
As in breaks.
So that's what we're doing. Okay, can I talk now? That's what we're doing now. I'm gonna take this off, so we'll go ahead and update when we get this down. Okay, so we got this bitch off. Let me show y'all what we had to do.
After much cursing.
There is an exhaust hanger right there, you can see, holding that pipe. You have to undo that so you can lower the whole pipe section so this piece can slide off the headers, and then you just pull that whole section down. Now that sounds easy, but it's really not, because you have to kind of do all of it at one time. Otherwise it just doesn't fit right. So now what we're gonna do,
Back hurts.
we're gonna take these O2 sensors out, swap them to the new header, and then put the new header in.
Pray for an easier install.
Yeah, put the new header in. So yeah. Alright, so there's the new header versus the old header. We're gonna have to go to town to get some wrenches for these because I don't have my wrench set with me, and Jonathan doesn't have any. So we're gonna go to Harbor Freight, make a tool run for a set of wrenches, and get something to eat. So yeah, that's the plan. This is, for the most part, a pretty simple install if you just know the steps that you got to go through to do it. But other than that, yeah, we're gonna go get something to eat. Alright, so we had to buy some new bolts because the OEM header is studded already to connect to the overpipe, but the aftermarket one's not, so we had to get some bolts. Then we bought, went to Harbor Freight, bought oxygen sensor wrench, got some coupons, and now we're gonna go to Taco Bell. What you think?
I think I got a stud riding.
Okay, that was gay. We're gonna go ahead and cut this video off. Alright, so we are back. Let's see. The factory header is studded right here where it connects to the mid pipe or the overpipe. This one is not, so we had to go buy a bolt and stick that right there. So we got that. Okay, so we have the O2s transferred over. Now we're gonna get under here and slap this sucker back on there. Ought to be a lot easier putting it back on than it was taking it off. So,
I told you about just
okay, so we got it on there as good as we can get it. Now we're going to go ahead and crank it up and see if it leaks. So this is going to be a cold start with the Tomei on an equal length header. Let's listen to see what she sounds like. What's up, guys? Listen to this thing. This thing sounds crazy. Like, it sounds just like a Subi, which, I mean, technically, but you get what I'm saying. It sounds phenomenal. There's a slight leak. That's because we didn't have new gaskets to use, and I really wanted to get it on today. So I've got some new gaskets ordered, and we're gonna get those put on. So we're gonna come by here next week again to Jonathan's, and we're gonna try and fix my bumper so we can get those fog lights installed and see how those look. And yeah, so that's probably gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys like the install. I hope you guys like the way this thing sounds. I love it. It's crazy. It sounds absolutely crazy. So anyways, hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching the video. Leave us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more if you're just now stopping into the channel. And other than that, guys, hope you guys have a great and wonderful day, guys. Peace.